Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will discuss about the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. So here you can see that firstly we are declaring three variables, and these variables you can declare by referring the IBM official website. And once variable declaration is done, now you are good to use the command. So directly write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4. So once you press F4, it will ask you for these two parameters, where first one is the value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where we will hold the output. Okay, now to know more about this value, you can press F1, and after pressing F1 you will see this help screen where you can find description of all the values that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command. So basically this screen will provide the description for all the possible values that we can retrieve using RTVSYSVAL. Okay, so these are the values that we have already covered in our previous session. So today we are going to discuss about the QPRTDEV, this one. So what is this? Let's go through it. It is default printer device description. Changes made to the system value take effect for jobs started after changes made. Second thing is QPRTKEYFMT, print key format. Changes made to the system value take effect for jobs started after the changes made. Now what are the possible values for this what are the possible outcome for this value? First one is star PRTHDR, means the header information is printed when the print key is pressed. Second is star PRTBDR, means that the border information is printed when the print key is pressed. Third one is star PRTOL, all, means border information and header information are printed when the print key is pressed. Now the last one is star none, means that the border information and header information are not printed when the print key is pressed. Third value is star QPRTTXT. Up to 30 characters of the text can be printed at the bottom of listings and separator pages. Changes made to the system value take effect for jobs started after the changes made. Okay, so now we got the information regarding the value. So just simply paste the name of that value here along with the variable where you want to hold the output. So after these three lines got executed, we will be able to retrieve the output in these value, like we will receive it, and then we are printing it. So for printing I am using sndpgmhg command and directly passing the variable because these are already of type character. So yeah, after these three lines got executed, we will get the printed output. So let's see what is the output we are getting. Cop program is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling this. So first output we got is PRT01, second is star PRT header, and third one is description. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.